College.
College.
Hindi.
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 Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Nepal.
Are you from Nepal? Really?
Yes.
Oh, just I am from
Yes.
Bangladesh. Bangladesh. This is our beautiful country, Bangladesh. We are to neighboring country. Neighboring country,
Yes, I know.
really? Okay. Thank you so much. What time is it now? In Nepal? What time?
Time.
Yeah.
Time.
Yeah.
10:34.
10:34.
Yes.
Oh, also here in our country, Bangladesh,
Yes.
10:34. Actually, I have followed you. We are to neighboring country. That is why.
आपको हिंदी नहीं आती है क्या?
Yeah. Basically, are you a student or do you study? Student? Student? Student?
Yes, I.
School, college or university?
Yes.
School, college or
Yes,
university?
I'm student. College.
College level. Okay.
College.
College. Can you speak Bangla? Can you speak Bangla? Bengali language, can you speak?
Hindi.
Hindi?
Hindi.
Okay. Thora. Little bit. How do you spend your free time?
आपको आती है हिंदी?
No. We should talk to each other in English. Okay? It is spoken all over the world because English is an international language. We should communicate in English. It is very easier than other languages. Are you a student of